Recently I decided that this pile of trees would look better as split firewood under my lean-to than a pile of rotting logs in the middle of my yard. So I grabbed the chainsaw and got to work cutting it into 16-inch lengths, because that's how you make firewood. I stacked the small stuff from my boiler, put a tote in place, and grabbed my splitter, which brings me to where I am now. Let's get splitting. Man, it feels a little sunny here. I wish I had a little more shade. Oh yeah. I'm using my 4-way wedge, and I'd hope to keep this about 3 inches off the top to make the perfect little pieces of firewood that you guys love. Then I could run it right over the top, kind of like a box wedge. But this stuff is super stringy, it's not working out well. But I am going to make little toothpicks so you guys quit making fun of the size of my wood. After splitting a few more rounds, I decided to stop for a juice box and thought this would be a perfect time to add some stickers to my splitter. Well, I'm determined to get these on as they come in. I've got 3 right now. The first one is Todd's outside again. You guys know Todd, he's everywhere. Nice. The next sticker I have is Peaks Peak Hobby Homestead. This is from Lucas. He does sawmilling and homesteading. I like to watch his channel. Not a firewood specific channel, but still a good one to watch. There, that one came off. He's got round stickers. I kind of like that. Of course, I'll never get them on straight or even. Thanks, Lucas. The last one I got. This is Proper Thread Supply Co. So this is one of my friends, actually a guy that I used to work for doing construction in wilderness trips, his son Hunter. And they're in Baraboo, Wisconsin. He recently purchased a silk screening shop and does t-shirts and embroidery. So he made this hat I'm wearing. He also made our Up in Smoke shirts. All around good dude. So if you want to support one of the good guys, go to Proper Thread Supply Co. everywhere that you go to things. Maybe by then I'll have the backing peeled off this sticker. Goodness. Ah, it's too high. Oh well. Alright, well, I split until I'm bleeding, and both the splitter and I ran out of gas. You guys got 2% of battery left, so I think that's going to be about it. Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to everyone it applies to. I'm sure it'll be much later than that by the time you guys see this, but my daughters gave me some really special gifts. My daughter London, my youngest, she's 8 years old, soon to be 9 here in July, and she loves YouTube, as does her dad. She especially loves that her dad has his own YouTube channel. So if you guys would do me a favor and spam the comments with "Hi London," she would get a real big kick out of that. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.
Yo, Steven, you're awesome. You're an amazing dad. You're like Swiss Army knife, the right tool at the right time for every situation. Although you snore and you smelly farts, everyone in your family loves you very, very much, and they're thankful for everything you do.